Hello friends, welcome to the Expiry Update podcast at Kotak Securities. This is Sahaj Agrawal. So Nifty has broken a critical trend level that we track, which was around the 16,500 mark. A closing below the same basically indicates that now the undertone for the short term is positive, and we would advise sell on rise for the near term. Volatility obviously is expected to remain high on account of the Fed outcome, which coincides with the monthly expiry. So this combination is kind of lethal, so to say, wherein you have the expiry and the Fed outcome, which can have a significant impact on the global markets. So in such a scenario, one thing is that rather than looking at the charts or the data from a smaller time frame, one can rather zoom out and look at the larger time frame and stick to those trading principles of the larger time frame that a trader would have set for himself. So on the same basis, we believe that the undertone is negative, and a sell on rise kind of a setup is there in place. At this point of time, we don't see any strong or sustainable reversal which is matured, and hence we maintain the negative stance. Now let's look at some option pointers. As mentioned, the monthly trend is negative with sell on rise advisable, and we don't see any reversal as yet. Even the short-term momentum level remains at 16,640. So below that, even the short-term momentum is expected to remain negative. For Nifty, the maximum open interest build-up is seen as 16,000 put and 16,600, 17,000 call options. For Bank Nifty, the open interest build-up is seen at 36,000 put and 37,000 call options. So a large range is seen in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, which again is quite logical because the event is expected to unfold is also pretty significant. From the FI and Pro segments, we are seeing a negative bias in terms of index options and index futures. Hence, they are in line with the rather medium-term outlook that we maintain. So basically, for expiry, a negative bias below 16,640, and in case if that level is crossed, there is a high possibility of consolidation to play out. So, but at this point of time, medium term as well as the short term, we maintain a negative bias. Thank you and have a nice trading session.